Introducing WVE's This or That game show! Here we will provide solutions to your dilemmas by demonstrating which item is best for each situation. Let's take a look at our first contestant.
Which rack do I need on my truck if I want to carry several logs?
Depending on how many logs you want to fit onto the truck, you might want to pick the rack that has a higher weight capacity. The more the better. This Pro 2 heavy-duty rack is composed of 2-inch steel tube and it holds a maximum capacity of 1,700 pounds. It can carry up to 4 lions, each lion with an average weight of 385 pounds. Whereas that Pro 3 medium-duty rack has the capacity to carry 2.5 lions, totaling around 1,000. So, this or that? Congratulations, you picked the correct one! The Pro 2 heavy-duty rack has the capacity to carry as many logs as possible with its durable powder finish coating material. Let's go ahead with contestant 2.
I don't need to carry anything very heavy, but I want to be able to carry a ladder or even my bike or canoe. Which should I choose?
It sounds like you need something that isn't so bulky but still sturdy enough to fulfill your needs. Let's take a look at these two light-duty truck racks. There is the Econo truck rack with its 500-pound capacity and 2-inch pipe construction. This gives you the ability to secure anything longer than the truck bed by letting it tilt against the top bar, and has the added option of being able to use a second one at the rear. If that doesn't tickle your fancy, there's also the Safari Adventure Sport rack. This rack also has 2-inch steel pillars but has 1 1/8-inch load bars, making it compatible with third-party sport mount systems. This or that? Correct! The Safari Adventure Rack is sure to satisfy. It is compatible with most Yakima products such as the canoe or bike rack they offer, and because it comes with a front and rear bar, there is no need to purchase a second one like the Econo truck rack if you want the ladders to sit close to the roof of your vehicle. It even has the option of adding telescoping sidebars for those situations that require more support for extra stability.
I want to be able to haul supplies and a ladder but have a truck cap since it's rainy where I live. I'd like to prevent wind noise and save weight for good gas mileage when I'm not carrying anything. What are my options?
I read you loud and clear, let's have a go! Here we have again the Pro 2 and the Pro 3 truck racks. You should know all about the Pro 2 by now with its 2-inch steel bars and 1,700 capacity. Although the Pro 3 may not carry as much, it's no slouch and still strong with its 500 to 1,000 pound rating, depending on the configuration. It also has an aluminum option. Ooh. So, this or that? Correctamundo! The Pro 3 would be the truck rack of choice for this job. It has a wind deflector for better aerodynamics and decreases wind noise while driving. With the aluminum option, rust is a thing of the past in those cold and rainy areas. It has the added benefit of bolting directly to the truck cap and a rear rolling bar to make loading and unloading a breeze.
Which full-size truck rack will still allow me to easily load a fridge if I needed to haul one?
Excellent question, contestant number 4. Let's see what we have in store for you. Here again is the Econo truck rack. Very sturdy as you already know, and upgradable. And again is the versatile Pro 3 series rack. Both are compatible with truck caps, short beds, long beds, you name it, they got it. Now, contestant number 4, let's find out. This or that? Correct! While the Econo rack will allow you to also load a fridge and secure ladders and such, this Pro 3 won't let you down. Being a full-size truck rack with an easily removable rear bar, it can do just about anything you'll need it to. Load a ladder? You got it. Lumber? No problemo. A fridge? Well, just remove the 2 pins and unscrew both securing knobs and it's ready to go. Thank you for watching WVE's This or That, brought to you by WorkVanEquipment.com. Till next time, this is your host, Johnny C.